What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail signature with image. So let's get right into it. Once you are ready, go to your settings, click on See All Settings, stay on the General setting, and scroll down till you see the signature option, then click Create New. Give your signature a name since you are able to create multiple signatures for different types of emails. Start creating your signature. I'll add my name, phone number, my secondary email as examples for this tutorial, and add your image. I will grab mine for my desktop. If your image is too big or too small, you can adjust it to your liking. I will leave it on the small option for this example. Okay, it's looking good. For new emails, use Option Select your signature. Do the same for the On Reply, Forward Use option, and check mark this option. Scroll down and save your changes. And that's it, guys, how to create Gmail signature with image. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.